River State, tell me something. Fubura, tell me something. If you dey follow Tinubu, no follow corner. Similar, tell me something. Wike Ideya, Wike Ideya, he go prepare you. No be you be God, though. If you dey follow Tinubu, no follow corner. Similar, tell me something. Now the update waiting for River State be that.
Your Excellency, the people of Eneka are very much aware and conversant with the current political happenings in the state and national level. We are equally aware of your recent political resolve and decision which every well-meaning stakeholder in our dear state had considered to be most strategic, intelligent, and a patriotic political decision. Today, sir, the leadership of Eneka clan have unanimously resolved to join our son, our own leader, our foremost mentor, a man who can deliver, our brother, most distinguished Senator, John Azutambata, the President General for Ohanaeze worldwide, to boldly, publicly, practically, and proactively support and endorse Your Excellency, the Executive Governor of River State, Sir Similale Fubara, GSSRS, as our choice governorship candidate for 2027 general election. Your Excellency, sir, and the people are happy with their government and administrative style. Please, Your Excellency, we urge you never to be distracted by whatsoever or whosoever. Our decision to endorse, support your re-election shall significantly reflect in the ballot come 2027, and you shall emerge victorious to the glory of God.
One thing with about Nigerians, the masses, that we are being carried away with activities without accomplishments. And that's why they say Nigerians are happy people. They always sit down to enjoy themselves, you know. We're not asking too much. Give us good road, electricity, security. Nigerians will be fine. They will be fine. Even if you are not doing anything, they will cater for themselves. So the year has started. But while the year is rounding up 2025 to enter 2026, people are already strategizing, endorsing who they will support for 2027, who will rule them. But the truth is that the masses, the general populace, the millions of people have not known what is going on. And this is why I want to bring the awareness. I want to bring you to understand that the time you are sitting down in the beer parlor to say, this is New Year, let's just drink and enjoy ourselves. This is New Year, what are we going to eat? People who are making decisions that will make you not to eat well throughout the year, not to make you buy a good clothes, that will make you complain in the middle of the year, are not just sitting down to drink. They are sitting down to strategize to take power from you. This is my major concern when you see people like me saying things I'm saying. I want the people to be aware of what is making us not to progress in this country. Now, I am not making this video. I am not saying what I'm saying because I'm against the Eneka people that are endorsing sinful Bara. No. I'm saying it so that the general populace, whether you are an enemy of me or you're a friend of me, whether you are a fan of me or you are not a fan, you begin to understand my aim of sitting before the camera and make videos. It was in 2019 I started waking people up to understand that democracy is called government of the people, by the people, for the people. As far as you as a person eligible, old enough to own a voter's card, refuse not to have it, no matter the excuse you give that the election is being rigged, refuse, or when you have the card, you refuse not to vote because in quote you believe that government is going to rig the election, your vote does not count, or the God will bring a good president for you. As far as you refuse to participate, you are part of those who are empowering those who are ruling us wrongly. And this is what is going on in the Nigerian space. We are ignorant. We are not proactive. We are not active. We are not responsible. we think that having a job is being responsible. No, being involved in democracy so that the people that will make decisions that will favor us, whether you are working or jobless, is our responsibility. And this is why I'm calling for people. This is why I'm making this video 1st of January. Because I want the people to know the truth. I want the people to embrace the truth. This was supposed to be our major concern this time around. The Eneka people are doing the right thing by endorsing Simfubare, which I'm happy. You see how they are praising their son, who is Ohanaeze president. That will tell you how they see issues. But what am I trying to say? In as far as these people are endorsing Simfubara, it's left for the masses to come out and do the right thing, vote the right candidates, involve in politics. Involve in politics. Until we all are involved in politics, we will never get it right. It's not just about endorsing him. It's not because he's accepting his Igboness that Azotambata is endorsing him, they are clapping hand. No, it's about the masses. I know that many people are not seeing the angle I'm talking at. When I posted this video, a lot of people are thinking I'm going to be using it to bash Wike or those. Yes, I support Simfubara. If he has a good intention, I support him. I will follow with my people where they are going to. But I want more people play politics that will benefit you. Be involved in politics. This is what people like me are championing. However, back to the message. The Eneka people have publicly supported Ohanaeze the president and whoever he endorsed. The Ohanaeze is not supposed to be political in his move, which is true. But in a case like this, him personally have endorsed Fubara. There's a reason, because the other man says he's not Igbo. You don't expect an Igbo man not to endorse his fellow Igbo man. And that is what it is. It is what it is. I'm out of here, John.